But one his ass, whip a nigga out once a week, he a trash bag. Tryna get a bag up out him, a brand new coupe. I like Moschino, Da Vinci, and brand new boots. If he rich, I'm you don't make it ring, 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 ring.
So I'm gonna do like a mini hair review as well before we get started. This hair is from Beauty Forever Hair. They sent me their, I have 4 bundles in a frontal. So I have 2 26 inches and 2 28 inches, and then I believe a 20-inch closure. It's super soft. I'm gonna try to stand up so you guys can see how long it is. And mind you, I am 5'1", so this is, the front comes down, you can't even see, but it comes down to my thigh right here in the front, and then in the back, which you guys can see. So the back touches my bottom. But yeah, so I'm just gonna be showing you guys how I installed this lace front wig. I made the wig myself, obviously, but yeah, this is pretty much how it turned out. I haven't cleaned it up or anything, but yeah, that's how the wig turned out. So if you guys want to just continue watching to see how I did it, just keep watching. Okay, so we're gonna start off. I just have this regular cap on. My braids is down here in the back. So you want to get a cap. You can get these pretty much anywhere. You can get them at, I think Walgreens even sell them, but I just get mine from my local beauty supply store. Mine is brown. They also come in tan and black, but I feel like tan and this color is probably the best match. I like to use this one just because it's closer to my skin tone, and I don't have to use the foundation and all the extra stuff. So I'm just stretching it out so it can fit over my head. It's back here. I'm just gonna tuck it under. So I just have my braids tucked in under the cap, and then I'm just pulling the cap all the way forward as far as I can over your ears, so you can see my hairlines there. Braids is underneath, hair is tucked in the back, and now we're gonna go ahead and spray. This is the Got To Be glue spray. I don't think it damages your hair from what I've read. Also, what you'll need is I just have some alcohol wipes. You can use the regular alcohol that's also in the bottle. So we're just gonna all we're just going to do is just blow dry. Here, got to be glued down. Okay, and that didn't take no time. It took literally like 10 seconds so now it's all dry. It's all dry everywhere. Now we're gonna go ahead and take our scissors and we're just gonna cut. So pretty much, since I put a lot wherever I want my hairline to be, that's where I'm going to cut pretty much. So I'm starting just from my ear, in front of my ear, and I'm gonna go all the way to the other side. On this side. And I'm just gonna put the rest behind my ear. So this is what it looks like so far. I'm gonna cut a little bit up here. So all I'm gonna do is take this little alcohol wipe. Okay. So now that we have that cut, I'm just gonna rub this alcohol wipe onto my skin. It comes with this little, it has like a little bit hole here. So I'm just going to apply it, little dots, just little strokes. Wipe off this rat tail comb because I'm going to need it again when I'm putting on my wig, and you don't want it to have glue on there or anything like that because it's going to get attached to the edges of the hair. So just cleaning that off, making sure all the glue is off. As you can see, it's melting down a little. This is my baby, my favorite wig I've made so far. Look how long it is, y'all. It's super long. I love it. If y'all want a wig made, just make sure y'all hit me up. All the information will be down below, but I'm about to go ahead and put this on. I'm pretty close to the edge of my hair. And we're gonna start on one side at a time. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing here. So I'm just taking the end of the comb, rubbing it in. And don't worry if you have any like when it comes to your sideburns, if you have any flappy parts on the end, you can always go back with your Got To Be glue once you have everything centered. So I'm about And all I'm doing is pressing down like hard against the hairline. I'm pressing down and rubbing it. I'm about to go back in with another alcohol wipe, and I'm just gonna clean up very closely the rest of the glue that is outside of the lace. Be careful not to touch the lace, because once you touch it with the alcohol, it's gonna start lifting. So it's so long. It's just, I'm trying to show y'all. So then I'm gonna show you guys if it's parted. So yeah, and this is pretty much how I lay my wigs. I might go back in and fix my sideburns, but I mean, for now, that's pretty much all I do. So if you guys have any questions or anything like that about the hair, the bald cap method, or anything like that, go ahead and just leave a comment down below. Also, do not forget to like,